Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. I finally got my Macy's beauty box. It is February 25th. I was going to say December, but I don't know where that came from. Anyway, they said it was going to be late. They didn't charge until well past halfway through the month, and then they didn't ship it, and then it said it was going to get here on the last day of the month. And I was like, seriously? I want to film. And you know, I know that these always get out super late because I'm not cool. I know I'm not on Ipsy's PR or anything, but I still like unboxing them and like talking about them. So anyway, finally got that one. Ipsy has been waiting for well over a week, maybe 2 weeks, waiting for Macy's to finally join it. So you are going to see this tonight. I'm going to put it up tonight because I'm just so excited that it's finally here. Let's start with Macy's, since was it worth the wait? And of course, all that YouTube-y stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on these and how they've done. So we have the normal thing, and then we have the $5 off coupon. I have been irritated at Macy's lately because I had one of my coupons in the advent calendar that I bought that would not work online, and I contacted them and they never responded on Facebook. And then when I posted about it on Instagram, they said, oh, let us know and we'll help. And they never responded on Instagram either. So, and there's not a lot in store that I'm really interested in. Most of the stuff that I'm interested in terms of Macy's Beauties right now has been online, especially like with new perfume releases that they haven't let be in the stores. So I have this packet here, and then for some reason these two were out and they weren't wrapped up. So we're going to start with Fame by Paco Rabanne. I do own this in a 1 ounce size. I wish I had known that the 1 ounce size doesn't have like the metallic paint on it. And I thought those were like little, I thought this was going to be not part of the bottle. I didn't realize it was glass, and it is glass. So we have Juicy Mango, Bright Jasmine, and Creamy Incense. I do like this set. I think it is a nice one. It's kind of a plain fruity vanilla kind of, you know, similar to Prada Paradox, similar to those type of a scent. So it's nice. I was a little disappointed because when I went online to look up this box, it looked like we were going to get an actual mini bottle, but no, alas, we did not. Then the next thing in here that was not in the packet is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Ooh, I have not tried the eye base. So it's just a little thing like this. I wonder if it's an eye cream, or, I mean, it's got to be an eye cream, right? Fame retails for $132 for a full size, which I think must be the 100 ml. I would assume it's the 100 ml. First time I haven't gotten one of those little cards that we've substituted something. But what I'm supposed to have gotten for Bobbi Brown was the Deluxe Extra Lip Tint in Bare Pink. But if you look on the front here, like, look at, that's obviously the mini bottle of Fame. And I really want the mini bottle of Fame. So, I don't know what's going on with Macy's. They seem, like, I love Macy's. I love the box. Like, I'm usually overall happy with this, but sometimes they just seem to be a complete and utter mess. And our total for this month is supposed to be $76.74. This is $15 a month plus tax, and I don't know if it's going to be worth it for me this month. Okay, next up is a NYX Butter Gloss. I do not like their Butter Gloss formula at all. I've had samples of this. I got their advent calendar one year, and I was like, oh, I don't like this formula. I don't like the scent of it. There's something about it that just, ugh. This is retails for $5 for a full size, so I will be passing that one along. The next thing in here is a Lorac shadow. I didn't realize that they carried Lorac, so that's what it looks like. This retails for it does not have a retail price, so it's just a single shadow and Primrose. I probably will pass that along because I don't reach for a lot of my single shadows. I should, I really should, but I don't. Then we have a nail polish, and this is from Mineral Fusion. Like, I get that they're, you know, supposed to be more environmentally friendly, I guess is the best word, clean. But the packaging just, like, you know, a random sticker that isn't even, I know you can't see it very well, but there's like a bubble, and that bothers me. So this is in Wine Not. It retails for $9.99. This isn't a color I really reach for. Yes, I'm wearing brown today, but the brown is from the Gwen Stefani collection, and that's why I bought it from OPI. So another thing I will be passing along, just not a lot of things that I'm super excited about. Then we have the Lancome Idole mascara. This retails for $27. I don't like this mascara. It smudged on me so bad. So another one that I'm passing along. Wow. And then we have these makeup erasers, but they're not really makeup erasers. They're kind of cute. They would have been cuter if we had had them for Valentine's Day, but since this didn't come till 2 weeks, 11 days after Valentine's Day, a little annoying. I'd rather have a bag at this point. And then my last item in here is from Babor, and this is the Ampoule Concentrate Perfect Glow. So that's what it looks like. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like a week's worth, I guess. Brightening, radiance boosting, hydrating skin food that uses light reflecting luminizing pigments to create a youthful glow and helps to even out skin tone. $39.95. So I don't know if this is a full size or not. It tells you how to use them. I guess this is a serum. I mean, it's an ampoule. It doesn't actually say like what step of skincare this should be. So interesting. This was definitely a bummer. I was really looking forward to that mini Fame perfume. I'll use these eventually. I have another set, 2 sets of these that I've never used. Just because like you have to plan it out and all of that, and you know, you have to break glass and all types of those things. I'll also probably use this Enriched eye base. I need to look up like if it's supposed to be a night cream or what, because I don't want to just you know, mess up my makeup or anything with it. So 2 things that I will use. Looking at the rest of it, single shadows, I don't do a lot with single shadows. It's not terrible. I don't feel one way or another about that one. The mascara is not a mascara for me, so that's not their fault. I don't like the NYX Butter Gloss. They have some nice things, but overall NYX is not like really a brand I want to see in this Macy's beauty box. The nail polish, not excited about. I'm probably just going to pass along this perfume sample because I do own a full size of it, and while I like it, I think somebody else might like to test it out. And then these I'm going to pass along because I don't mess with these, because I would have to have so many of these to like, because I don't do laundry but like once every couple weeks. So you know, when I run out of clothes, and then I would want to wash these separately because I wouldn't want to wash them with my clothes. Like, I don't know, that just would be ugh. Anyway, so Macy's, pretty much a bummer this month. Nothing I'm super excited about, and very disappointed that the 2 items that I would have been excited about, the Bobbi Brown lip balm because I actually like her lip balm, and then the mini of the Fame perfume, were not included, even though clearly all of the promo photos that they did had those in it. Actually, this one's showing the Bobbi Brown, 2 Bobbi Browns. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's so weird because the inside is so different. Macy's, get your act together. Like, figure it out. All right, we have Ipsy next, and this is what the bag looks like. I think it's pretty cute. It says on the back, self-love is the best love. It has some, I don't know. That sentiment just, I don't know. It doesn't sit right with me. I know a lot of people really like it, but there's just something about it that just rubs me slightly, puts me on edge. I don't know. Then we have this card. You are loved. Buy yourself flowers. I hate Miley Cyrus. I don't care. Like, if you like her, that's fine. But I'm so sick of that song. I'm so sick of hearing it all the time. Not a fan. First thing in here is from SLMISSGLAM. I don't have prices because they didn't put any prices on the card. This is a cute brush. It has little hearts on it. It has the jewels like she always has. This is an angled blush. This is a very small blush. I guess I should probably be smaller in my blush placement, but that was my choice, so I'm happy with that. Then we have a nail polish from PLUM. This is Color Affair with avocado oil. The shade might be, oh, Fairy Bloom. That makes more sense than Be Good. Oh, this is tiny. This is like OPI mini tiny. I don't think this is a color I'm really going to love to wear on my nails. It's, you know, it's a lighter shade of this, and I don't know. I have so many nail polishes, so I think I'm going to pass that nail polish along. Then we have from Saturday Skin. I've been slightly disappointed with my Saturday Skin products. I know people were really hyping them up, but I've just found them okay. Like the cleanser I'm currently using is just okay, but I really don't like the toner I'm using from them. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Okay, that's fine. I will use that. It's like, you know, a heavy duty moisturizer. This one actually says to put it on after your moisturizer, so that's interesting. Then we have CIATÉ Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. I do have several blushes from CIATÉ, and they're nice. I should start trying to like use them up, I think, because, you know, how many blushes does a person need? Oh, that's a pretty shade. I do like that shade. It's much darker than the other ones that I've gotten from them have been, but still, you know, not super dark. I think that will be very pretty. I do like their face formulas of the things that I've tried. And that brings me, this feels like so short. Last thing is the AMINNAH Birthday Cake Mini Body Butter. That's cute. And then it looks like that stuff from Truly. It's all the whipped stuff that's so popular now. Which I saw a whole bunch at my TJ Maxx yesterday. I don't know if I love the scent of this. I'm going to keep it because at the very least I could use this on my feet, which I know people are probably like, but I'm not sure if I like the scent or if it's one that's going to make me kind of feel nauseated as I wear it. Okay, so Ipsy I'm liking a little bit more than Macy's. I feel like I got some stuff that I'm more excited about wearing. Like actually I got useful like blush and a blush brush. That's kind of cool. So I do like the brush. I don't need any more brushes, but SLMISSGLAM are always so cute. So I'm happy for that. Always happy for a blush, a beautiful blush. Like this is one of those beautiful blushes, you know, slightly glowy. I'm excited about that. Sleeping mask, meh, whatever. Same with the body butter. I would have liked this in a different scent, I think. Yeah, anything but bakery type scents I'm more down with. And then the nail polish. I don't mind getting nail polishes, but I really at this point want something that like the color just really wows me, and that's what's going to make me want to keep it, because I have so many nail polishes. I have been for like a year now been trying to like test out all of them and declutter some as I go. So that's why like I've always have two different colors, because I'm never going to get through them all. That's how many nail polishes I have. So yes, too many nail polishes. So I'm going to pass this along to somebody who I think will get more use out of it. So at least I feel like I'm getting more value with my Ipsy, which is $13 a month plus $1.99 handling fee, just in case you didn't know that already. And I do have an annual, so this will renew in June. And it's going to be interesting because they just announced this week that Boxy and Ipsy are officially merging, and there's only going to be, I don't understand. Like, it was confusing to me. Honestly, it's super confusing. I don't get the beauty boost thing. Base bag is supposed to stay as is, which I'm happy with. Like, that's all I have been getting. Plus and BoxyCharm are now going to be like the same thing, and they're getting rid of the glam bag, you know, the drawstring one, which I don't love the drawstring bag, but part of the value to me was getting that cute bag, and there was months where I ordered it because I liked the cute bag. So I'm going to be definitely canceling my Plus because I don't want any more stuff. And then and BoxyCharm has not been super impressive to me lately. Ipsy has been kind of, but so it's going to be interesting. I'm going to be really interested to watch people's videos of getting all of the new tiers, and it's going to throw people off. Like if you got Boxy Premium and or not Premium, Luxe, that you would normally get have to pay that $50 in June. Like, they're going to hit you a month earlier. So I think that's interesting choice. It's going to be interesting the next couple months, and we'll see how I feel when June rolls around and I have to renew for another year, see how I feel. Anyway, let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know if you got Macy's, what your thoughts are on these. Are you as irritated at Macy's as I am? Or you might be less irritated. Next month, fingers crossed that they get their lives together and get their boxes back on track. So hopefully they can get everything sorted out. Anyway, let me know how you are doing as well. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.